Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to the 𝗨𝘁𝘁 Academy, and today I'm gonna start my first step of speaking. But before starting my first step, I want to share with you one thing. I'm gonna tell you, can we improve our English by listening video or not? According to me, yes, we can improve our English by listening video, but how? When you listen video, just listen the video with subtitles. And when you listen video with subtitles, you can learn lots of new words and you can add these words in your speaking. Just second thing is that when you listen any authors, just listen them and copy them. When you copy them, you will come to know about your grammatical mistake. And the third thing is that when you listen video, you can learn how to connect the sentences. It is very important part of speaking English to know about how to connect the sentences. And the fourth thing is that when you listen video, you can improve your broken English. If you listen video for 1 hour, you can improve your broken English and you can improve your spoken fluency. And definitely you will speak English if you listen video like this. And right now I am going to start my first step of speaking. Friends, right now I am going to start my first step of speaking English. To speak on the topic is why dreams are important in our life. According to me, dreams are very important in our life because dreams plays important role in our life. But how? If you have any dream and if you have big dream, you can change yourself and you can change your way of thinking and talking. Because if you have big dream, every time if you think about your dream, it means you are going towards your dream. And if you have a dream and you don't think about for your dream in that time, it means you are not going towards your dream. You are wasting your time. You are killing your time. And if you have dream, you can change yourself, and dream makes us disciplined, determined and persevere. And if you want to be disciplined, you must have a dream and it should be depend on you. If you want to be a teacher and if you want to be a doctor, an engineer, it depends on you. Just you need to do why do you want to be and where do you want to go to follow your dream. And you must have dream if you want to change completely yourself and if you want to see yourself at the high of level in success. You must have a dream and just follow that dream, and you must have a big dream. You choose, you decide. In a larger sense, you are earning today exactly what you have decided to earn. And after completing my reading, now I want to share with you one thing. Whenever hurdles come in our life, in that situation, what we need to do? We need to be positive and we need patience. If we have both, we can get everything in our life, whatever we want, and we can do anything. But on the other hand, there are lots of people, if they are suffering from any hurdles and any problem, in that situation, they have that type of person who lives with them through thick and thin. They motivate them every time, they give them advice and they teach them every time. And if you have these type of person, just give them respect. It can be your parents and your friends, your teachers and your family members. And now I'm going to tell you the meaning of this word which I used in my sentence. The word is through thick and thin. It is an idiom, and the meaning of this idiom is a person who always live with you in good or bad situation. We can say in Hindi, एक ऐसा इंसान जो आपके साथ हमेशा आपके अच्छे और बुरे सुख दुख में साथ होता है. For example, I don't worry about anything in my life because my parents are through thick and thin with me. My favorite one, because while you are choosing your options, while you are being committed, dedicated, learning. And after completing my listening, now I want to share with you what I learned from that video. So today I learned from that video, if you want to get anything in our life and if you want to achieve your goal, the first thing is that your why should be clear. If your why is clear, you will definitely achieve your goal. It will take time, but not too much. And if your why is not clear, why do you want to do it and why do you want to learn anything. It may be you want to learn any skill and you want to gain some knowledge and you want to study. The first thing is that your why should be clear. Why do you want to do and why do you want to achieve? If your why is clear, definitely you can learn lots of things and you will be a happy life. So focus only on the learning, not to the results. Friends, I have done my listening and reading for 1 hour. After completing my listening and reading, I made example on those words which I got while listening and reading. And after completing my listening and reading, now I want to ask you one question. Friends, do you have that type of friends who borrows money from you and never gives back? I am sure everyone has. But in that situation, what you should do? You can snatch their objects and it is very good way to take your money back from them. Do you know what is called पैसा उधार लेना in English? We can say in English borrow money. And what is called पैसा उधार देना in English? We can say lend money. And everyone knows what is called पैसा कमाना in English, earn money. But what is called पैसा छापना in English? We can say in English mint money. Friends, today I have completed my all tasks to read Bhagavad Gita, and today what I learned from Bhagavad Gita that I want to share with you, and that is don't be good for showing off, because God knows you not only outside but from within. Jai Shri Krishna friends, today I have completed my 73 day of 75 hard days English challenge, and if you like our work, please support us, and if you didn't subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel, and bye bye friends, we will meet in next session.